Hey everybody, my name is Aaron Walters. Welcome to the Tailwater Garage. Proud Sportsman is something that I found in 2024. It's a great opportunity for people like me. I get to partner with big brands and get free gear that I get to use for content creation. My content gets featured, I get free gear, and everybody's happy. The things I'm looking forward to do with Proud Sportsman fit my lifestyle, whether it be squirrel hunting, fishing, camping, or just adventuring. Proud Sportsman has a lot of different products that you can use and active campaigns right now. Sign up for Proud Sportsman and you too can be an outdoor content creator.